Could an astronomical burn rate of over 4,100% in just 24 hours be the spark that ignites Shiba Inu's long-awaited bullish reversal? Today, we're diving deep into how Shiba Inu's massive token burn might be setting the stage for a major price shift. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to channel for insightful cryptocurrency analysis that cuts through the noise. I'm Zaki, and in today's video, we're unpacking one of the most talked about topics in the crypto world, Shiba Inu's astonishing 24-hour burn rate of 4,137.17%. Whether you're just starting out or you've been trading for years, this detailed breakdown is tailored just for you. We'll explore everything from the basics of token burning to an in-depth analysis of Shiba Inu's technical and on-chain signals, and what they mean for the future. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether this burn is a genuine bullish catalyst or if bearish market forces might still prevail. Let's start by talking about what this 4,137.17% burn rate really means. In the crypto world, a token burn is essentially a mechanism where tokens are permanently removed from circulation. With Shiba Inu's burn reaching astronomical figures in just 24 hours, many investors are asking, can this drastic reduction in supply help push prices higher? At the time of this analysis, Shiba Inu was trading at around $0.00001471, marking a 2.82% increase over the past day. The basic idea here is simple. Fewer tokens in circulation can lead to increased scarcity, and if demand holds or grows, the price is likely to move upward. However, it's not just about numbers. The burn rate is only one piece of the puzzle. While it's a bullish signal on its face, we need to dig deeper into other market forces and data points to see if this burn can truly reverse the prevailing bearish trends. Now, let's shift our focus to the technical side by examining the Shiba Inu price chart. Since its peak back in late 2024, Shiba Inu has been on a steady downtrend. Recently, however, we've observed a bounce from an accumulation zone around $0.00001360, which many analysts interpret as a potential inflection point. At the moment, Shiba Inu is attempting to break through a critical resistance level at approximately $0.00001480. Breaking this barrier could be pivotal. It might signal that the market sentiment is turning, setting the stage for further upward momentum. Yet, even if Shiba Inu manages to push past this level, there's another significant resistance looming at around $0.00001600. Until Shiba Inu clears this hurdle, it could very well be locked in a tug-of-war between bullish aspirations and bearish pressures. In other words, while the burn is a promising sign, the technical resistance levels suggest that any sustained rally will require more than just a reduced supply. Beyond the price charts, on-chain metrics offer a glimpse into the underlying health of a cryptocurrency. When it comes to Shiba Inu, the on-chain data tells a somewhat mixed story. For starters, the net network growth is currently a mere plus 0.27%, which implies that there isn't a significant influx of new participants or increased usage on the network. This slow growth could dampen the potential bullish impact of the burn. Additionally, a key metric known as the in-the-money figure is slightly negative at minus 0.57%. This metric typically reflects the percentage of tokens that have been held at a profit over time. A negative reading here indicates that, overall, holders aren't necessarily sitting on profitable positions, suggesting that the community's bullish sentiment might be tepid at best. Furthermore, Shiba Inu's concentration metric has dipped by minus 0.01%, and large transactions have decreased by minus 7.86%. Large transactions, often executed by whale investors, can serve as a confidence indicator. A decline in these large-scale moves might hint at a reluctance among major players to commit more heavily, which is a red flag when trying to forecast a bullish reversal. All these indicators combined paint a picture of caution. While the burn rate is impressive, the broader on-chain activity is not fully aligning with a clear bullish outlook. Next, let's take a closer look at Shiba Inu's behavior on exchanges, a critical factor in understanding its market dynamics. Over the last period, Shiba Inu's exchange reserves have seen a slight uptick of 0.07%, with a total of about 95.48 trillion tokens currently held on exchanges. This increase could be interpreted in two ways. On one hand, it means there's ample liquidity, which is good for trading. On the other hand, a high number of tokens on exchanges can be a double-edged sword. It also raises the risk of a large-scale sell-off if major holders decide to cash out. But here's an interesting twist. The exchange net flow for Shiba Inu has decreased by minus 3.45%. Essentially, this means that more tokens are flowing out of exchanges than coming in. In many cases, this is taken as a sign that investors are choosing to hold rather than trade, possibly indicating that they see long-term value in Shiba Inu despite the overall bearish signals. It's this complex interplay, where liquidity is high but net flow is negative, that adds another layer of nuance to our analysis. Could this holding behavior by investors be the confidence boost that helps counteract the bearish on-chain signals? It's certainly a possibility, but it's one that requires careful monitoring. So what does all of this mean for Shiba Inu's potential to sustain a bullish reversal? On the one hand, we have an extraordinary burn rate that is actively reducing the circulating supply, a factor that should, in theory, create upward price pressure. On the other hand, the technical analysis reveals persistent resistance levels that the price must break through to trigger a robust rally. Meanwhile, the on-chain data is mixed, showing minimal network growth and cautious behavior among large investors. This divergence in signals creates a sort of wait-and-see scenario. The burn rate is undoubtedly a positive indicator, but its impact might be limited if the bearish fundamentals don't eventually give way to more confident market sentiment. It raises an important question for investors. Is the burn rate enough to overcome these bearish trends, or will market forces ultimately force a price correction? As always in the crypto space, the answer is not straightforward. It will likely come down to a combination of factors, including whether Shiba Inu can break key resistance levels and whether broader market sentiment shifts in its favor. Looking ahead, several key factors will determine whether Shiba Inu can turn this impressive burn rate into a lasting bullish trend. First and foremost, we'll need to see a sustained improvement in on-chain activity. If the users begin to adopt the network and if large transactions start picking up again, that could signal a shift in investor sentiment. Secondly, breaking through the resistance levels we discussed is critical. A clean break above $0.00001480 and eventually $0.00001600 could serve as a catalyst for a larger rally, reinforcing the bullish narrative. Until then, traders should exercise caution and consider employing risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders or diversifying their portfolios. Another aspect to consider is the broader market context. The crypto market is influenced by a myriad of factors, ranging from regulatory developments to macroeconomic trends. For Shiba Inu to truly sustain its growth, it must weather not only its internal challenges but also external market pressures. With all this in mind, it's essential for investors to keep a close eye on both technical indicators and on-chain data. At the end of the day, while Shiba Inu's massive burn is an exciting development, it should be viewed as one piece of a larger puzzle. Investors who combine careful technical analysis with a keen awareness of on-chain trends are best positioned to navigate these turbulent times and potentially capitalize on the opportunities that may arise. In summary, Shiba Inu's extraordinary 24-hour burn rate is a double-edged sword, promising reduced supply and potential price gains on one side, but facing significant technical and on-chain challenges on the other. Will Shiba Inu's burn strategy spark a bullish reversal, or will the bearish fundamentals force a correction? I'd love to hear what you think. If you found this deep dive insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update, and join our growing community by dropping your thoughts in the comments below. What are your predictions for Shiba Inu's next move? And don't forget to share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another emerging trend in the crypto space that could redefine market dynamics. Until next time, keep your eyes on the charts and your strategies sharp.